Visa card. Let me take you through this platform. This is Telegram. You transact on Telegram. So I opened my account, or I registered on the 4th of April 2026. I applied and it showed application submitted, but I placed the wrong zip code. Zip code is that number, the +27, or we can place it as 0027. But it varies with the country of origin. And then I applied and account was verified. Account verified. You can see here, account now active and verified. Now you can activate your card. Then for you to activate card, you need to deposit $5. This is $5 at Qatar and $5 remaining from $10. You will activate with $5. Your card is active. Congratulations. And it is ready to use. And then I added my card to Starlink and I paid this amount, $66, but $6 was refunded. It was supposed to be $60. I will show you. And then if you look very well and do some calculations, you can see that $66 was paid and the balance was $69.89, and the current balance by then was $2.90, meaning to say if we deduct $2.90 from this amount, we can remain with $67. The cost for this transaction is $1.01. $1.01. That is the cost of this transaction. The transaction fee was very, very low, $1.01. Then your card is active. Add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay. You can also add your card. Then they started the pre-order for physical cards, physical Visa cards. I will show you some of the slots. And then I bought my card at wave, I think at wave 3 or 4. I bought my card for $59 at wave 3 or 4. The amount was increasing at each wave. So I was not aware of this. I started to see the card at $29 at wave 2. Some bought the card at around $15 at wave 1. But I bought the card at wave 3. Then I paid $1.91 to TikTok promotion. And this was the final wave, started the 4th wave. Now people are still purchasing these cards, but they are now expensive. And then you can see purchase of $5. You can see the purchase of $5. And then let me show you again. Let me disable this Wi-Fi. And then you can see I deposited $15 and then I paid $25 to WhatsApp verification badge, and I made some deposits. I paid $2 to Google for storage of my emails. I paid to TikTok $11.55, $5 to TikTok again, and then I paid this one to Google for verification badge. Then I was refunded. This was the interesting part of it. This card is able to receive a refund. I failed to provide details to Google for the verification page. Then they refunded $25. You can see here's $10.91, and at this level it's now $35.91. My refunded funds reached my card, and I was happy to receive these funds. You shall see again, there was more refunds which were received. And then I purchased successfully on Google, but I failed to add the details again, and a refund also was made of $7.49 for that badge. Now you have sent $30. This was a withdrawal, but I made it to the wrong address. This was the wrong address. And then this was for storage of emails. You have received $30. This was a refund again of this $30. This was a refund. This was a refund. It was received again. Now, this is good news. Let me go to the last. There was a refund of 10 cents and a refund of $6 from Starlink. They charged me $66 instead of $60 because I was just paying for 2 Starlinks, and they are residential light, one going for $30. So they refunded this $6 today, and it was received by the card. This card is super good. So let me show you other product updates. Product update: more tokens and networks for withdrawals, plus 5 new tokens available. You can now withdraw not only USDT. We were restricted to USDT only, but now we are able to withdraw to USDC, USDE, Ethereum, WBTC, and BNB. 21 networks supported. They also include 21 networks, because of late they were just using the Polygon. Now they included the ERC20, which was not there. The ERC20, the BNB Smartchain was there. Solana, Tone, Tempo, and more. I will show you some of these. Choose the network and asset that works best for you, depending on speed, fees, and or destination. More options, same simple experience. This is it, guys. Let me show you. Let me click open app. You can also click open app here. This one. Let me open the app. I am opening the app now. Oh, sorry. I disabled the network, so let me enable the network again. Let me enable the network. Yes. Network enabled. Let me open. Yes, you can see these were the refunds from Starlink, and my physical Visa card was reserved, and for the virtual it's active. You can see this. So when you want to add funds, you click top up. When you want to send, you click send. When you want to withdraw, you click send. So let me check the send option or the top up option. Now we have the USDT and all these networks. This TRC20 is very expensive. Fee $5.90. We also have the Solana, the Polygon, Arbitrum, Base, BNB, Optimism, Tone coming soon. So you can use the Arbitrum or the BNB Smartchain. This is the BEP20 network. But if you want to use all these, you can use them. These are other networks. Because previously we were only able to withdraw using the Polygon network. Now we have all these networks. So it's a win-win situation for all of us. You can keep your coins here. You can receive your coins. You can send your coins or do withdrawals using this MasterCard. Thank you so much. For you to open account and enjoy all these benefits, simply go below this video, click the link and open your account today. Activate it and start using it today. Activation process is instant. Thank you so much. Good time. Goodbye.